Hi everybody, it's meteorologist Brian Bennett, and I'm going to take you on a quick behind-the-scenes tour showing you how the water samples are taken that measure red tide. To do this, I joined up with environmental scientist Alexandra Maurer with the Pinellas County Public Works Department. Here you can see Allie is taking water samples in between the wave breaks to reduce the amount of sediment in the sample, and she's using basically a giant straw to stick it down in the water and get a water sample just beneath the actual surface. Once we have that water sample, we hop in our vehicles and make the drive from Treasure Island, where the sample was taken, back to the lab in Clearwater. There's Rob, who's wearing the right shirt, Georgia Tech, and Allie, who went out and collected these samples with. What you doing now, Allie?
I am preserving the sample and dyeing it so that we can count it while it's dead and it's colorful on the microscope.
Okay, and you're putting iodine, different type of iodine mix in there now to preserve the sample. And then Rob over here is actually looking at one under, what type of microscope is that?
It's an inverted microscope. The light source comes from the top and the actual opticals at the bottom, so that way you can see everything that sits on the bottom of the plate.
Okay, and how many times are you magnifying that?
This right here is at 40x.
40x. That's what it looks like. So this is a little troublemaker right here, huh?
Yep.
That's the Crinea brevis dinoflagellate. What are we looking at here, Stacy?
This is Carinia swimming around.
So it's actually a view of the little suckers, Crinea brevis. What were you saying earlier, Allie? That these guys could swim like 1 meter?
1 meter per hour, so that's 100,000 times their body length.
Wow. So they're swimming around in there. They're still alive.
Yep. They look like flipping donuts.
That's
Okay.
They look like little donuts.
Well, now I'm getting hungry. Hey, we're talking potential for over 1 million of these in just a liter of water.
This site on Wednesday had over 54 million per
Over
liter.
54 million? What's
This is just the HabScope video. Let's see. So after it's been run through the algorithm that they've got set up to just automatically count.
That's so cool. It can automatically count the number
the
of
live
cells.
ones.
Fido tracker. Looks like an Atari video game. That's really cool, though, that it can identify the Crinea brevis cells from stuff that isn't toxic.
Yeah, and they base this on their swimming patterns. So you have to have a live sample to count it. And the final result of the water samples is this map here, which shows where we had high concentrations of Crinea brevis, represented by the red dots. And where I was in Treasure Island, we had 4 million cells of Crinea brevis per liter. That is about 40 times the amount of Crinea brevis you would need to have fish kill and respiratory problems. So really bad red tide situation continues. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes tour, and thank you for watching.